Hey everyone, welcome to Knoll Tech. Today I'll show you how to change the date and time on your iPhone manually. First, open your Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Now, look for Date and Time and tap on it. Here you'll see the 24-hour time format option. You can toggle this on for military time or keep it off for the standard 12-hour format, whichever you prefer. Now, to change your iPhone time manually, you need to turn off Set Automatically. Just toggle that switch off. This gives you full control over your date and time settings. Once that's disabled, tap on the date and time field below. You can now adjust both the date and the time using the scroll wheels. For example, if I want to change just the time, I'll leave the date as is and scroll to select my preferred time. Let's say 12:30. And that's it. Your iPhone will now display your custom date and time. This is useful for iPhone clock settings when traveling or troubleshooting time zone issues. Thanks for watching Knoll Tech. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.